Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make homemade bread. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need about 3 cups of all-purpose or bread flour, 1 cup of warm water, 2 1/4 teaspoons of active dry yeast, and 1 teaspoon of salt. Having these ready ensures a smooth baking process. Make sure your water is between 105 and 115 degrees Fahrenheit to activate the yeast properly. This simple start sets the foundation for delicious bread. Now, let's get our hands into the dough. In a large bowl, combine your flour and salt. In a separate bowl, dissolve the yeast in the warm water and let it sit for 5 minutes until foamy. Pour the yeast mixture into the dry ingredients and mix until a shaggy dough forms. Turn it out onto a lightly floured surface and knead for 8 to 10 minutes. The dough should become smooth and elastic, passing the window pane test. After kneading, it's time for the first proof. Lightly oil a clean bowl, place the dough inside, and turn it to coat. Cover the bowl with plastic wrap or a damp cloth and let it rise in a warm spot for 1 to 2 hours or until doubled in size. Once risen, gently punch down the dough to release air. Shape it into a loaf and place it into a greased 9 by 5-inch loaf pan for its second, shorter rise. Finally, the moment we've been waiting for, baking. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Bake your loaf for 30 to 35 minutes, or until the crust is golden brown and the internal temperature reaches 200 degrees Fahrenheit. Let it cool completely on a wire rack before slicing. There's nothing quite like the aroma and taste of fresh, homemade bread. Remember to check the description for a link to a fantastic book about money, plus other great deals. Enjoy your delicious creation.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.